Hi, I'm Anna Marie Friars. I'm here with Scuba Educators International, and we're working on our lionfish hunting specialty course. So part of our course recommends learning how to fillet a lionfish. So there are lots of ways to do this. I'm just going to go over one of the many ways. So we're going to start on a nice cutting board with some protective gloves and a fillet knife. So we're looking at our venomous spines along the top, anal spines, pectoral fins here. We're going to hold everything parallel to our cutting board to just maintain a safe cutting position. I'm going to make my first cut behind the pectoral fins here. And I'm just really cutting enough to break skin and just get a little bit into our lionfish. My next cut is going to be along the spine. And again, I'm really just scoring, not getting too deep on my first cut because I like to pull the skin off of my lionfish for ceviche, which is what we're making today. And then I'm going to go along the belly here. And I did not take the scales off because we're going to skin this whole thing, but if you'd like to take the scales off, you can do that. There's several different ways. These scales come off pretty easily, so you can even wash them off with a hose. I'm just going to make a connecting cut here. It's nice to hang on to the pectoral fin because you know you're nice and safe. So back up at the top here, I like to go ahead and peel my skin off. So just going to get it started. We're going to peel it back, hold everything in place, and just give a nice clean peel. You could fully fillet it and then cut the skin off. I just find that this is one less step, one less knife pull for me. So I've got some beautiful skin there. The skin is edible if you take the scales off. So if you're looking to fry something up instead, that is absolutely an option for you. So my skin ripped a little bit, so I'm fighting it here. The beauty of lionfish hunting here. I'm gonna make another cut to get that a little bit looser. There we go, that's what's holding on. And then we're gonna go in and we're gonna have a beautiful fillet. We're wearing protective gloves, which is great practice. It does make peeling the skin off a little bit tougher. But I'd much rather struggle with the skin than envenomate myself. So we take our time here. And then I'm just gonna finish this with my knife. We're always trying to cut away from us. So we've got our skin over here. I like to fillet by pulling up the backbone here. So I'm just gonna go in where I sort of started scoring and make a slightly deeper cut. When it's deep enough that I can get my thumb in here, I like to use that to lift up the meat so I can score underneath it. Not sure if you can see that on the camera or not, but I'm just going in and under where my thumb is. Maybe that's a better shot.
We can see it.
Beautiful. I'm just scoring along the backbone to get as much meat off of this fillet as possible. And you can see it kind of comes right up, and that's going to give us the most meat. Now I want to make sure my cut connects at the bottom, so I'm just going to come up here. I miss a little chunk we'll get on our ceviche in a moment. And we've got a nice lionfish fillet.